Gabby back in front of you. Today I will be unboxing the BTS new album, B. I love the new album. My favorite right now would be Pyong/Disease. Yeah, let's unbox this baby, shall we? Ooh. What? Dun 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 dun. Wow! Look. It looks like those safe boxes that you like find somewhere. I don't know. But it looks so pretty. Also, just so you know, I bought this through the Weverse website. Now, whoa! Okay, this is how you open it. Ta-da! Okay, let us take it page by page, shall we? So, this is the front page of it. It's the lyrics of Life Goes On. Wow, bro, look at these pictures. And then we got J-Hope himself. Kind of matches my lip. Oh, this one is so pretty. I love these black and white ones. Wow. And then we got Jin. Jin is very handsome. He is in a prince-like theme. It is so pretty. I just really love this black and white thing that you have, like this theme that they have going on. And then we got Jungkook. All of them are so cute. Like, his has the flash on. And then we got Jimin. Jimin looks so cute. I just love it. I really like this one. Like, the flowers and everything. My goodness. Jimin is so cute on this one. Ooh, I love this one. Wow. So pretty. Wow. Here we got Namjoon. So gorgeous. Look at his eyes. Their individual shoots. They have like their themes. It's the teddy bear thing that he has. Look how handsome. So handsome. Also, I keep brushing my lip on here. So now it has a lip tint. Here is Yoongi, my baby, my man. Damn, sir. Look at that. Catch my drip, he said. Next picture is this one. Oh my god. He looks so cute. He looks so cute. I mean, look at him. He's just so cute. For no reason. Just being cute is his talent, apparently. The next one is V. I just love dark hair on him. Makes him look so ethereal and all. And of course, we got V-cut. He looks so cute on this one. I love this. I love this so much. Oh my god. No, they're so cute on this one. But this one is so cute. And then we got the second half. I thought this was like a broken page for a second, but I think it's intentional. We got this one. Oh, I love this one. Oh no! 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 I literally just got this. No, that's so sad. No! So it wasn't intentional. It just came in broken. Look at them. Okay, this one's the next one. This one's so cute. Oh my god, these black and white concepts are really doing it for me though. Like, look at this. I just love how this album has like their creative freedom. This is their third concept. It is leopard animal print. Oh, I love this page. It's red. It looks so good. Look at V, Yoongi, and Jungkook. Okay, this is the last page on the photo book. I'm very sad that it collapsed like that. Now for the next part. This one's like flipped upside down because this is the making book. Oh, it's so cute. This one's Yoongi. I just love it. We got Jungkook. We got V. Oh my god, Namjoon looks so cute. This is their handwriting. They did really well. Then this is Jimin. This one is so good. So cute. We got Taeyong in the side. This is Jin, Jimin, and J-Hope. Jin looks so ethereal every single time he serves. Like, I love this. I love this page. We got Taeyong. Last but not the least, we have Hobi. Hobi looks so cute. And last one is Jungkook and J-Hope. Now we move on to the nitty-gritty, which is the photo cards. I'm so excited. So we got the scanning thingy-majiggy. You get so many photo cards this time. What? Oh my, it has their faces on it. Are you kidding me? Okay, let's look at these photo cards one by one. They're like concept pictures. I'm definitely gonna use a lot of these. I want to know who took them. Let us look at the photo cards. I'm so excited. I didn't know that they were gonna give you all of them. Yay, I'm so happy because I really wanted the OT7 one so I could have them on my phone. First one, we got Namjoon in the back. It has like their handwriting. Next one is Taeyong. And we have OT7. We also have Jimin. We got Yoongi. Next we got Jungkook. We also got Hobi. We also have Jin. We also have this one. Let's move on to this part. I'm honestly just shook about how they're in this CD. And also I love how it's like a frame. This is the last part of it. I think it's just a track list. Whoa! Whoa. Now this is new. Wow. Look at this. It's like their special thanks. Here in the back, they had the songs, right? They had the songs and each of them wrote the lyrics in their own handwriting and they drew on it. Like, look at this one. Like, these drawings are too cute. And finally, we move on to the last part of the unboxing. It's the poster. There you go. And it's so cute. I think it's time to replace the one on my wall with this one. That is all for today's video. We are done unboxing and we've seen a lot of good stuff today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing the BTS album. And I hope that if you are an ARMY that you also get to buy an album from BTS one day. And if not, don't worry, I will be sponsoring eventually. I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope we all keep growing. Bye!